Good afternoon, I'm Dave Morris, live on cleanskies.tv on an overcast Tuesday afternoon today in Oklahoma City. You can also find this energy update from the business desk of the Oklahoman on demand at newsok.com. Well, several analysts who attended a Chesapeake Energy Corporation special event last week say fundamentally the company is sound, with a good long-term upside for growth. The analysts add, however, that investors are likely to continue to take a wait-and-see approach as the company closes out the year, looking for additional asset sales and operational trends. Regardless, rumors circulating this past weekend that the company is about to be bought out have no basis in fact, that according to company officials. Said Tom Price, quote, "It is just highly unlikely that Chesapeake would be the target of a hostile takeover because of its size and scale." As you know, Tom Price is the company's senior vice president of corporate development. He went on to say no one has more specific project expertise with the asset than Chesapeake's landmen, geologists, geophysicists, engineers, and support staff. Now, Price noted there's always a potential for publicly owned companies to be bought, but what makes Chesapeake look attractive for being taken over, its low stock price right now, also provides value for incoming investors. Well, for years, Richard Dixon has directed a corps of scientists at the Samuel Roberts Noble Foundation working to improve plants for use as animal forage or energy sources. As director of the Noble Foundation's Plant Biology Division, Dixon's work in lignin attracted little attention outside the community of researchers until the nation discovered a thirst for alternative energy sources. For his extensive work in plant biology, Dixon has been named the Oklahoma Scientist of the Year by the Oklahoma Academy of Science, and that award will be awarded October 31st. Dixon said, quote, "The ironic thing is that no one has been hugely interested in plant natural products for many years." He went on to say, but as soon as the bioenergy business caught on, all of a sudden lots of people want to give us money. Today, Dixon's work with lignin is funded in part by several grants that target distinct efforts to develop bioenergy fuels from sugars of plants such as switchgrass and alfalfa. Lignin is the structural component that defines the cell walls of plants. Okay, a couple other notes for you. Sandridge Energy announced this week it has extended the offer to exchange private floating rate notes due 2014 to holders in exchange for publicly registered ones. The original offer expired October 17th. Officials said the notes originally were sold with the understanding that Sandridge would exchange them by the end of November for publicly registered ones. The new deadline to exchange private notes for public is on Friday. And bankrupt Tulsa-based energy company SimGroup LP and its subsidiaries have filed court papers showing liabilities of nearly $2 billion more than assets. The filings of more than 20,000 pages in federal bankruptcy court in Delaware say the companies have assets of about $7.7 billion, but liabilities of about $9.5 billion. SimGroup filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection July 22nd after admitting it had lost $2.4 billion in oil futures trading. And one more note for you. Larry Nichols, Chairman and Chief Executive Officer of Devon Energy Corporation, will lead the API's Board of Directors. The National Energy Trade Association announced that yesterday. Beginning January 1st, Nichols will represent an organization that has some 400 corporate members. Well, that's it for today. You can find more energy news from Oklahoma online at newsok.com. Just click on business and surf away. Have a good Tuesday.